Good morning, children. Welcome to our class. Now, let's see 3-digit numbers and you are adding 3 numbers. In your previous activity, you done only 2 numbers and in 3 numbers you are adding but 2 digits. In this activity, you are adding 3 numbers and 3-digit numbers. Let's see, Amma. Now, addition always coming from ones, tens, hundreds. 634 plus 162 plus 212. Now, ones coming from ones, Amma. In ones, first number is a 4. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. 4 is a keep in mind. 4 after 2 show on your finger. 4 after 5, 6. So first 2 numbers you are adding, you get 6. This 6 again you keep in mind. Again you kept in your mind. Now again 6 after you here given 2. Now 6 after 2. 6 after 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 is the 8. That is a put in ones. Okay. Now, next coming to 10 summer. First you are adding first 2 numbers. You get a result. You are adding again third number. Okay, we can understand. First you are adding this 2. You get some result. You get some sum. Okay. Again that sum you are adding 1. So 6 plus 3. Now 6 is a keep in mind. 6 after 3 fingers or 6 after 3, 6 after 7, 8, 9. You get 6 plus 3 is the 9. Now 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is a 10. You get here total 10. In 10, a 0 is a keep down and 1 is carry over to hundreds. So in 10, a 0 is a tens. 1 is a hundred. So 1 is carry over to 100. This is the first method. Now another method 10. In 10, 0 is the first number. First always keep down. Now 1 is the second one. Second always carry over. Okay. Now carry add to this number. Always carry is adding number. Okay. Now 1 plus 6 is a 7. Again 7 plus 1 number 8. Again 8 plus 2. This 8 is a keep in mind. 8 after 2 fingers. 8 after what? 8 after what comes? 8 after 9, 10. So you get 10. Still here any numbers is there? 1000 number is there? No. So this 10 keep down. So you get how much, Amma? 1008. Okay. How to add in 3 numbers you can understand. First you are adding first 2 numbers. After you are adding that result to third number. Now next 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 you get 3. Now 3 plus 0 3. Always you are adding a 0 any number you get that original number. So 2 plus 1 is a 3. Now 3 plus 0 you get 3. Okay. Now next one 4 plus 5. First you are adding these 2 numbers. 4 plus 5. 4 is a keep in mind. 4 after 5 show on your fingers. 4 after what comes, Amma? 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 plus 5 is a 9. This 9 is a keep in mind. Again that 9 is kept in your mind or keep in your mind. Okay. Now next this 2 show on your fingers. So 9 after what comes, Amma? 9 after 10. 11. You get 11. In your 11, 1 is a keep down, 1 is a carry over to 100. Now next again coming to 100. This carry add to this number. Now 1 plus 3, 4. Now 4 plus 2. 4 after 2. 4 after what comes, Amma? 4 after 5, 6. You get 6. This up to here you are adding 6. This 6 is kept in your mind. Now 6 after here, what is that? 4. So 6 after you count 4 numbers. 6 after what come? 7, 8, 9, 10. You get 10. Write down. Okay. Now next 317 plus 220 plus 122. You adding these 3 numbers coming from first ones. Now in ones 7. So 7 plus 0 is a 7. 7 plus 0 7. 8 plus 0 8. 9 plus 0 9. So you adding any number to 0, you get marginal number. I mean, నువ్వు 0 కి ఏ నెంబర్ యాడ్ చేసినా నువ్వు యాడ్ చేసిన నెంబరే is coming. So 7 plus 0 is a 7. Now this 7 kept in your mind. 7 after 2. 7 after this 2 only show on your fingers. 7 after what comes, children? 7 after 8, 9. So 7 plus 2 is a 9. You get 9. That is put in ones. Now next coming to tens. Now 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is a 3. 3 is a keep in mind. 3 after again 2 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. You get 5. Now next hundreds. Now 3 plus 2. 3 is a keep in mind. 3 after show on your fingers. 3 after 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 is a 5. 5 plus 1. Again 5 plus 1 is a 6. Now next 5 plus 2. 5 is a keep in mind. 5 after 2 fingers. 5 after what comes, Amma? 5 after 6, 7. Now 7 plus 0 is a 7. Next 4 plus 3. 4 is a keep in mind. 4 after 3 show on your fingers. 4 after what comes, Amma? 5, 6, 7. You get 7. This you adding these 2 numbers, you get 7. Again 7 to add 2. Now 7 is kept in your mind. 7 after 2. 7 after what comes, Amma? 7 after 8, 9. So 7 plus 2 is a 9. That is put in our tens. Next hundreds. Now 3 plus 4. 3 is keep in mind. 3 after 4. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 7. Now 7 plus 2. This 7 is kept in your mind. 7 after again 2. 7 after 2. 7 after 8, 9. So you get 997. First you read how to read number. You learn that Amma. You check it ones, tens, hundreds. In hundreds which number is there? 6. So 634. Now 132. Like this you will read. Okay. Now please copy it, Amma. Okay, children. One more 2 problems only. Now, once read this 3 numbers, Amma. 372 plus 215 plus 212. Okay. Now coming from ones, in a ones 2, 5, 2. Now you like this method also you will done 1, 2. Here 2 is there. So you take 2 lines. Now next to 5 is there. You take 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 2. Total count it. How many lines is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9. This method also you will do. This 9 is keep in our ones. Okay. Now coming to 10 summa. This 7 is this. First you take 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next 1. Next 1. Total count it 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get 9. That is put here in tens. Next 3, 2, 2. First you take 3, 1, 2, 3. Next 2. Again 2. Total count it 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put in hundreds. This is another method. Which method you can easy you will do, or you will do that method amma. Next 2, 1, 2. 2, 1, again 2. Total count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put here. Now 4 plus 0. First take 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 0. 0 means nothing. No lines, no fingers. Next you take 2. Total count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 is put in tens. Now next coming to hundreds amma. First you take 2. Next 1, 2, 3. Next 4. 2, 3, 4. Total count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get 9. Put in hundreds. What's our number? 965. Do it children. So now today your homework is activity 7. This activity 7. Activity 7. Do in textbook. Page number. No need a page number. Okay. Please copy this. And what is today homework, amma? Activity 7. Do in your textbook. Here, look at this textbook, amma. This activity 7 is there. Now do in your textbook and post it. Please copy that. You are counting fingers, or you are counting lines, and one number is kept in your mind, and again second number show on finger. You count that method, or you take lines. This method. Okay, that's your wish, amma. Okay, children. Thank you.